At present, we cannot imagine our life without devices. From cooking, shopping, and cleaning, technology has simplified our lives. In addition, modern devices have a personalized touch and help us enjoy the things we love most. Nevertheless, only some of us are wise enough to choose smart gadgets. Stay until the end of this video if you don't want to miss all the exciting gadgets that would make your life easier. The MetMo Grip is an essential item made for designers, engineers, and anyone who wants to take a moment to have fun at household work. This wrench is unique because it will help you to adjust different types and sizes of nuts and bolts. Unlike the majority of wrenches on the market that can only fit over a single size, the MetMo Grip is made of high-quality stainless steel, proving to be durable against time. Nowadays, it is important to spend our money wisely. So this wrench not only tightens nuts, but can also work as a bottle or a can opener, as a hammer, or even as a toy, or even as an anti-stress gadget when you have a hard day at work. What a great product to carry in your toolbox! The most innovative and fashionable method to carry your keys is using key organizers like the KeySmart. This is sleek, stylish, tiny, and quite simple to tuck into your pockets. This key organizer is now offered in a wide range of colors, giving you a great selection to pick from. Say goodbye to bulky pockets and annoying noise when you move around. The KeySmart is quite sturdy because it is built using industrial-grade stainless steel. 2 to 8 keys can be placed in this layout. Finding the right one is undoubtedly simpler than searching through your bulky carrying. On top of that, you can also use it to carry extras like a USB flash drive. This smart key holder is really practical for your daily duties. Do you have one more pocket left in your wallet? Then let me present you the Level Gear Toolcard Pro. This gadget offers 40 functions in a credit card-sized multi-tool. It is a perfect get for designers, hikers, and anyone who is prepared to tackle everyday tasks as they arise. The Level Gear Toolcard Pro includes a can opener for camping, a bottle opener, a box cutter, 24 wrenches, screwdrivers, a pry bar, and even more. Unlike other wallet multi-tool cards, this one won't cut or snag your wallet. When handling the tools, you can grip them securely, thanks to the smooth edges. This card multi-tool weighs about 1 ounce and is only 1.5 millimeters thin, making it easy to keep in your wallet all the time and ready when you need it. Is guarding a tedious job? Not anymore. Let me introduce you to the Stihl GTA 26. This device is a beast, resembling a combination between a pole pruner and a small chainsaw. Even though it is compact, the Stihl GTA 26 proves to be powerful enough that it effortlessly slices through tree limbs and branches to complete every gardening task. And despite its enormous power, this device doesn't make much noise. Additionally, the Stihl GTA 26 functions well with a variety of wood types. Any contractor, landscaper, or homeowner will always put safety first. Your hands, fingers, and other body parts are protected from injury by the safety bar on this incredible tool. If you measure and create amazing things regularly, as a hobbyist or professional, but have misplaced several of those tiny marking pencils in the process, then Quickdraw's Pro Self-Marking Tape is the solution for you. You will never waste time looking for a pencil again. The trademarked graphite marking equipment is loaded and prepared to trace. Given how convenient and simple it is to use for projects, it is definitely a purchase for the hobbyist, especially suited to materials such as drywall or woodworking projects. The amazing features make it really simple to drag a straight line down on a big sheet of material to make a long cut. Or you can have circular markings as desired. When the last lead tip is consumed, adding a new one is a very straightforward operation. You can also preset the tape measure with a measurement and mark those areas that are unreachable to you. If you are liking this video, don't forget to leave us a like and subscribe below for future videos. Are you looking for a tool which can strip solid cables quickly and precisely? I have good news for you. The KNIPEX PreciStrip16 is the tool you are looking for. With a pair of side cutters, we're confident that many electricians can strip the ends of wires fast and effectively. Still, the KNIPEX PreciStrip16 adds reliability, accuracy, and versatility to the process. It doesn't matter whether it is a 0.8mm or 16mm wire. When you turn the handles, you'll be amazed by the process. Also, the accuracy and efficiency of the jaws are top-notch. To use this tool, simply insert the wire to the predetermined depth on the jaws, which is adjustable up to 20mm, to guarantee that all the peeled ends are exactly the same. If you work with heavy-duty materials such as pipes or plywood, the ToughBuilt roller stand is the best option you need if you want much greater support. The structure of this great roller stand is made of 2-inch box tubes. This is done to build the strongest construction possible. It is smooth to allow for simple movement and stability, adding additional support. Due to its solid steel construction, the ToughBuilt roller stand is also incredibly robust. You will be guaranteed the long-term service you require. One of its many perks is that it is simple to fold and has a height adjustment from 27 to 43 inches. If you want a top-quality product for your workshop, this one is designed and manufactured in the United States. The best way to maintain your knife's sharpness wherever you are is with this portable, convenient knife sharpener. The WorkSharp Micro Sharpener and Knife Tool is a tiny marvel. It is the ideal sharpening item for on-the-go use, whether at home, at a vacation, or even out in the wilderness. It is designed to be simple to use without any experience. It is built with stainless steel, making it durable. It has angle-guided medium grit diamond and fine grit ceramic rods that will rapidly give any knife, regardless of its state, a razor-shaped edge. Because of its exceptionally small design, you can carry this tool with ease. You may put it in your pocket or inside a backpack. How do you handle a flat tire? Simple. Pull out the half-inch drive half-inch socket for the proper adapter on your 12-volt roadside impact wrench. Plug it in and remove your lug nuts. A strong and simple-to-use impact gun. This tool can effortlessly pry lug nuts off. The case includes the 12-volt roadside impact wrench, a spare fuse, and 2 double-sided sockets, the 17 by 19 millimeters and 21 by 23 millimeters, which are all required to remove lug nuts. The device also exhibits exceptional power with up to 5,000 RPM. The body of this gadget is made of impact-resistant plastic and is shaped to fit a strong gripping angle. Assembly and removal of lug nuts are easily accomplished with a 3-position toggle switch that is strategically placed. In no time, you'll be back on the road. If you like this video, don't forget to leave us a like and comment and subscribe below for future videos that would make your life easier.